Hello, my dear children. Welcome back to my class. This is Shivani, your English teacher. Students, today I'm making this video for class 7th, and in today's video, we will be revising the 6th chapter scaffolding from your main course book, Windchime. So, as you all know, that we are doing our revision for half yearly exams, and today we will be only discussing this poem. I'll send you the question answers in the school's group in case you have missed it. So yes, let's start today's video. Seamus Justin Henne was an Irish poet, playwright and a translator. He was the eldest of 9 children. There was always a tension between his parents because of their difference in opinion on ways of life. He received the 1995 Nobel Prize in Literature. Around the 1990s, Henne met his wife, and after that, he wrote many of his first poems about his love for her. Henne was recognized as one of the principal contributors to poetry during his lifetime. Now, I'm going to read out the poem for you. You must listen carefully while I read this poem. Masons, when they start upon a building, are careful to test out the scaffolding. As you can see, that the main theme of this poem is scaffolding word. The poet has highlighted the word scaffolding. Make sure that planks won't slip at busy points. Secure all the ladders, tighten bolted joints. And yet, all this comes down when the job's done, showing off walls of sure and solid stone. So if, my dear, there sometimes seem to be old bridges breaking between you and me, never fear, we may let the scaffolds fall, confident that we have built our wall. So, students, as you can see, that the poem is a very short poem. It has only 5 couplets and which contains only 10 lines. But this poem has a very deeper significance and a very deep meaning in this poem. So, can you see this picture? Yes, this is scaffolding. Now, we must know what scaffolding is. It is a structure used to work crew for construction. Okay, so scaffolding is basically a structure which is used by workers or masons while they construct building. Okay, so it is a kind of a structure on which masons or workers can stand, and it can go higher, and they can use it for the construction work. Come to the central idea of this poem. It is a poem about the bonds of love and friendship that tugs at readers' heartstring, reminding them of the friendship that are important in their life. It is a poem that is bound to bring out strong emotions because of its true constructions. Okay, so the simple but dense scaffolding is a love poem. Okay, the image of a building under construction represents a relationship between two people built over a year. So, in this poem, the poet has, used metaphor, and he has compared the scaffolding and making of building to the ground level relationship of people. It can be relationship to your friends, it can be a love relationship, it can be any sort of relationship. Okay, so similarly, when a building is made, a scaffolding is needed for its starting. Similarly, for any relationship, for any strong relationship, we need time. Relationships are built over time and period. So, Let's start the poem line by line. Masons, when they start upon a building, are careful to test out the scaffolding. First of all, we must know the meaning of masons. What is masons? People who build building are known as masons. Students, you may note down these verb meanings also. Okay, so the literal meaning of these two lines are, when builders start on a building, they have to be careful that a scaffolding is secure so they do not fall. Okay, why? Because if they would not test this scaffolding, they may fall down and it may occur injury. Okay, so when masons start building their building, they must be very careful about the scaffolding. But it has a deeper meaning also, that when people start to make a relationship, they need to be very careful about each other's emotion, about the trust and help. Make sure that planks won't slip at busy points. Secure all ladders, tighten bolted joints. So here are few advices that our poet is giving to masons while they construct building, that masons have to make sure that planks won't slip at busy points, because again, if planks would slip, then what would happen? It may occur injury or death, because the scaffolding are generally very high. You can see the picture here on the other side downwards. It is a picture of plank. Okay, secure all ladders, tighten bolted joints means masons have to be very careful that they have secure all the ladders. Ladders are the stairs by which they can go up. Okay, tighten bolted joints, and here you can see the picture of bolts and nuts. Okay, so masons have to be careful that the planks are secured tightly, the ladders are secured tightly, and the bolts are joined tightly. Next line. And yet all this comes down when the job's done, showing off walls of sure and solid stone. So when they are done with their job, they stand back to look at the building that they were working on and are very proud of what they have done. Okay, so here we means that when masons complete their job, they stand in front of the building and they look at the building, and they feel very proud and confident. They feel very there is a sense of pride in them because they have made a strong and beautiful building. Similarly, when two people build a relationship and that relationship becomes so strong, people will be quite confident. They will be happy and proud that at least we have made some relationships like this. So if, my dear, there sometimes seem to be old bridges breaking between you and me. So in these lines, the poet is addressing these lines to his loved ones. It can be any friend, it can be any love relation. Okay, he is addressing these lines to his loved ones, that so if, my dear, there sometimes seems to be old bridges breaking between you and me. Here poet is referring old bridges to the misunderstanding and problems between the poet and his loved ones. He is addressing and he is saying that if there comes any misunderstanding, if there comes any problem between you and me, so old bridges is for any problems or misunderstandings. Never fear. He is saying, he is giving advice, or you can say he is assuring his loved ones not to be fearful. We may let the scaffolds fall, confident that we have built our wall. These last two lines, the poet is saying to his loved one that if there comes any misunderstanding, if there comes any problem between you and me, do not get fearful, do not be frightened that we may let our scaffolds fall. Why? Because he is saying that be confident that we have already built our relationship very strong, like a wall of a building. You know, when a building is strong enough and a building is properly made, then even if you remove the scaffolding, what would happen? The building will not fall. Similarly, if you make a relationship and if you build a relationship very strong, then even if you remove the scaffolds from that relationship, the relationship will not break. Okay, one must be confident that one has built their relationship very strongly. So if you take time to protect yourself, you will most likely not to get hurt. So this was about the poem. Okay, and there is few value points of the poem, like the image of the building under construction represents relationship that two friends built over the year. So poet has used metaphor here, and he has compared constructing of a building to a constructing of a relationship. Henne encourages his friend to be brave and to have trust in his solid relationship. Okay, Henne believes any misunderstanding will be cleared up and all the conflicts will be resolved with the solid foundation of their relationship. Students, you can see this poem encourages the reader to value the long-term relationship and cherish it with their whole heart. This poem is a very simple looking poem, but it has a very significant and deeper meaning. Okay, so poem is basically about understanding the importance of relationship and appreciating friendship. The poem uses metaphors to suggest that relationship does not naturally exist, but they are built over a period of time. Similarly, we cannot make a building in one go or in a few seconds. We need time to build a building. Okay, and to build a building, what is the primary thing that we need? We need scaffolding. Similarly, when we build any relationship, what is the thing that we need? Scaffolds. Okay, and what are the scaffolds for building any relationship? Trust, help, understanding. Okay students, so I hope you understood the poem well, and here are the 4 questions for you. You can answer me in the comment section. You can answer me in one line or one word. Okay, so when you write the answers, please mention your class and roll number along with your name. So the first question is, what is being made in the poem? इस पोएम में क्या बनने की बात की गई है, क्या बन के तैयार हुआ है? क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकेंड, what does the wall symbolizes? इस पोएम में वॉल किस चीज़ के लिए सिंबलाइज की गई है? क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड, हु आर मेसन्स? मेसन्स किसको कहते हैं? एंड द लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट डज ए स्पीकर फील कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट? स्पीकर किस चीज़ को लेके इतना कॉन्फिडेंट फील कर रहा है? So you will give me answers in the comment section itself, and in next video we will discuss another chapter. Till then, take care and stay safe.